In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your email address in System.io. And I'll show not only how to verify it, but I'll also show you how to authenticate your domain name to improve your email deliverability. Now, before we get started, you're going to need two things. First, a System.io account, and second, an email address that is connected to your own domain name. If you don't have either of those yet, I'll leave links below the video. So I'm here on the System.io dashboard. What you need to do here is go to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. Then click on Settings. Then on the left side menu here, click on Emails. On the page that opens, scroll down until you see a section called Verified Email Addresses. Then click on the link that says click here to confirm your email address. In the pop-up that will appear, enter your email address that is connected to your domain and hit Save. Then you need to go to check your inbox and look for an email from System.io with the confirmation link. If you don't find it in the main inbox, check your spam folder. Once you find the email, open it and click the confirmation link inside. You'll be redirected to a confirmation page. On that page, click this confirm button. Once confirmed, your email status should change to verified inside your System.io dashboard. Next, if you want to improve email deliverability, you'll also need to authenticate your domain name. To do that, go back to the top section called Domains, click on this link, and in the pop-up that opens, enter your domain name. Here you need to enter it without www, just your plain domain. Click Save and System.io is going to show you a bunch of DNS records that you need to add to your domain registrar. In this case, I'm using Dynadot for my domains, so I'll show you exactly how it looks on my end. If you are using a different registrar, the process is going to be very similar. Just look for DNS settings. So log into your domain registrar, select your domain and open up the DNS settings. You'll need to enter your DNS records right here. Now go back to System.io and copy this value. Only copy what is up to your domain. Also, do not copy the dot at the end. That's important. Then go back to Dynadot and paste that into the subdomain field. For the record type, choose CNAME. Then go back to System.io and copy this value from the other column. This time copy everything. Go back to Dynadot and paste it into the destination field, and you need to repeat this for the other two records. From this column, copy these values up to the dot before your domain. From the other column, copy everything. Once you pasted all three values, it should look something like this. After that, you'll need to add DMARC data. Go back to System.io. This time from this column, copy everything. Go to Dynadot, click Add Record and paste it into the subdomain field. For the record type, choose TXT. Then go back to System.io and copy the value from the other column. You can use the copy button right here. Go back to Dynadot, paste it into the destination field and click Save. Once everything is done, go back to System.io. You're going to see a pending status right here. Note that it can take from a few minutes to 48 hours for DNS data to update. Usually it's quite fast, but be patient. Once the DNS records go through, the status should change to verified, what means you can start using email automations in System.io. If something didn't work out, I recommend contacting System.io support. They are really great and will help you quickly. That's it for this one. See you in the next video.